Do you feel pain in your knee and has this interfered with your routine? Whether climbing stairs, exercising, or even sleeping, this pain can be a real challenge. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 biggest difficulties that those who suffer from knee pain face. And of course, I'll leave a super gift tip in the video description to help you deal better with this problem. So, if you want to improve your quality of life and alleviate this discomfort, stay with me until the end. Hello, everyone. We are from Cabnal SOS Health, and here, your health comes first. Our channel is dedicated to bringing content about well-being, quality of life, and disease prevention, covering essential topics such as nutrition, physical exercise, mental health, longevity, and much more. Knee pain is a common complaint that can affect people of all ages, compromising mobility and quality of life. If you suffer from this problem, it has probably already caused some of these difficulties. Let's go. 1. Limitation in mobility and daily activities. People with knee pain often find it difficult to perform simple activities, such as climbing stairs, walking long distances, or even getting up from a chair. This limitation can directly impact independence and daily routine. 2. Impact on physical exercise. Knee pain can be a major obstacle for anyone who wants to play sports or maintain an exercise routine. Impact activities, such as running and weight training, can become difficult or even impossible, leading to loss of physical conditioning and weight gain, which further exacerbates the problem. 3. Difficulty sleeping. Many people with chronic knee pain report discomfort at night, which affects their quality of sleep. Finding a comfortable position can be a challenge, and sleep deprivation can worsen pain perception and affect overall well-being. 4. Expenditure on treatment and rehabilitation. Knee pain treatment may involve medical consultations, physical therapy, imaging tests, and in some cases, surgery. These costs will become high, especially when the problem is prolonged and requires continuous monitoring. 5. Psychological and emotional impact. Living with chronic pain can lead to frustration, anxiety, and even depression. The impossibility of carrying out activities that were previously pleasurable can affect self-esteem and motivation, making recovery even more sought after. Conclusion: knee pain not only affects the body, but also the mind and lifestyle. Seeking appropriate medical care, maintaining a healthy weight, and strengthening the muscles around the knee are some ways to minimize the impact of this problem. If you face these difficulties, do not ignore your body's signals and seek help to improve your quality of life. So tell us what topic you want us to talk about on the channel. Thanks for watching. Share this video with someone you love. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any valuable content. Leave your like. Until the next video.